Many beginners walk onto a set or into an audition believing the director wants something mysterious. They think directors are looking for magic or brilliance or some undefined wow factor. That misunderstanding creates anxiety because if you don't know what's expected, you don't know how to succeed. Here's the truth. Directors are not looking for perfection. They are looking for clarity. They want to know, do you understand the scene? Do you understand the story? Can you work within the world of the project? Directors are managing a lot at once. Camera, lighting, time, performance, story. They don't have time to babysit confusion. What they need from actors is reliability. That doesn't mean being boring. It means being prepared. Directors expect actors to show up knowing who they are in the scene, what they want, who they're talking to, why the moment matters. Beginners often think directors want emotional fireworks. What directors actually want is usable work. They want something they can shape. This is why directors give direction. They're not correcting you because you did it wrong. They're adjusting the performance to fit the larger picture. Another beginner mistake is defending choices. They explain why they did something instead of trying something new. That slows everything down. Professional actors adjust first. They don't argue. They don't justify. They try the note. Directors notice this immediately. Flexibility is one of the most valued traits in an actor. It tells the director you're there to collaborate. Directors also expect actors to listen, not just in scenes, but to notes. If a director gives an adjustment and you repeat the same thing, trust erodes. Taking direction is not about obedience. It's about translation, understanding what the director needs and finding a way to deliver it truthfully. Directors don't expect actors to read their minds. They expect actors to work. When actors understand this, pressure drops. You don't have to be perfect. You have to be clear, prepared, and adaptable. That's what directors actually expect.